All right, hi everybody. It's Philip over here at AVF 1407, and this is our Week 4 project, Leo Catch. This is the additions and changes that we made after the user testing and feedback from our peers and instructor. As we can see, the difference between this week and last week is already apparent as I have a new theme. This new theme was more appealing to people in my online user test, so this is what we went with. And let's go ahead and log into the Android and iOS side. We'll log into iOS first, and now let's log into the Android side. Okay. All right, so here we have our Android and iOS view, and unfortunately Genymotion isn't being very kind to us. I can't see my camera like I want to, and there's also another bug with the scanned it view. When I tried to add text above it on the Android, it padded it too much. You do have the ability to manually add barcodes at the top, and we did change the edit interface for that as well. And because it's not fully showable as I can't scan anything, I can't really show you those interfaces on the Android, so I'm just going to go to the history view on the Android really quick, and then we're going to show you how to scan on the iOS instead. So what we're going to do now is show you how to scan a barcode. So what we have here is the book for the next class that we're in. I'm going to go ahead and scan the barcode for it. As you can see, it is very quick. We'll go ahead and enter a title up here at the top, and then we can also do multi-line if we so feel like it. If I wanted to forget this scan, I could press the little white X at the top to forget it. If I wanted to save it, I can press save, and that will save to my history list as well as to parse. And if we wanted to go ahead and scan a V card, for example, we can do that. We can see that it does pull out information from a V card and from the QR codes. We still have the ability to launch links, as you can see there. And we were asked to show you how we can get this to work regardless of internet. I'm not sure how I'm going to do that considering I'm showing you on my Xmirage, but let me see if I can disable it here really quick. I'm logged out. I don't know if you all can see that. I'm currently logged out right there. I'm going to log in. I have no internet, and we're just going to log in. And as we can see, we're currently logged in there. So that did work. I'm going to go ahead and scan something. As you can see, that does work. I'm going to go ahead and add something, and we see that we have the new line item at the top as we expected. So it does work whether we're online or offline. And let me go ahead and connect back online because it's much nicer to be online than it is offline. And let me reconnect our Xmirage, and as you can see, we do have our test there. So yeah, I mean, it's one of the things that I wanted to show you. So we do have the error handling in there. Let me go ahead and move this aside. I'm going to go ahead and bring up several types of barcodes. So we've got several types of barcodes in here. We've got a few QR codes, a few regular codes. Let's go to scan, and we're going to scan a QR code. As you can see there, it scanned it, and you notice I'm still pointing at the screen, but it's not scanning. It's not scanning because when we're on this screen, I disable the scanner, which was one of the requests. So we'll just put a test 2 up here, and we'll submit that. Save. Let's scan that code right there. And we'll just say this is not something we want to remember, so we're going to press the little X at the top to forget it. And let's scan 1 or 2 more. Let's do, oh, I don't know. Oh yeah, let's do that big one there. There we go. That big one came back as a link. So there you go. We showed you the error handling. I showed you the application. We can go ahead and log out. We do still have the ability to sign up. We do still have the ability to forget our password and recover it. That is all there, and we have our error handling involved with that too. So I hope you guys like it. It's a fun little app to work on. I can't publish it because the APIs are non-commercial, but it was very, very fun. All right, guys. See you next class, and have a great day.